Wow, we date back 13, 14 years ago. When I hired in at Midmark, I was a manufacturing engineer. Loved the role, loved the team, quickly fell in love with the company. And when I think back, it's like, that's what I really like doing. It's like manufacturing, engineering, and that's who I am. Midmark is a very team-oriented company. When you think about the different departments that we have, engineering, operations, quality, marketing, HR, it's like it takes all of those teams to be successful. And it takes a leader that understands who their people are. 13 years later, I move into several different roles and now a manager at Midmark. One of the pieces that Midmark promotes is a co-op program, bringing in those college-level students in the engineering field and developing that pipeline of teammates. I led that effort for about 6 months. A lot of fun because you're empowering teammates to be the best they can be. The values that I see at Midmark, they quickly parallel to my values. People development is a very big piece of who Midmark is. I want to make sure that my team knows, hey, I'm here for you. I want to support you. And I think you do that by, sharing who you are. And it's not just within the four walls of Midmark. I think you have to share who you are outside of the four walls of Midmark. Grew up in a small town just outside of Versailles in Rushi. Being heavily involved in the community is what I really enjoy. My kids got me involved in a lot of different things. When they were younger, coaching youth basketball, coaching youth baseball. And that's progressed to now I'm part of the Versailles School Board. My approach it may be unique, but I've always said, be who you are and connect with people. How are you contributing to the success of something bigger than yourself? How do we continue to grow to be the best that we can be? How do we make sure we're always doing the right thing, if you will, when no one's looking? I think about Midmark. That's exactly who we are. And I think our successes are built upon that. There's a lot of tangibles that maybe aren't thought of working at Midmark. Great teammates, and those teammates come from a great community, great families. So those relationships are fantastic. We have great benefits, if you will. There's always opportunities outside of the four walls of Midmark. Midmark's heavily involved in the community. We're a healthy company. And so to be a part of that is pretty rewarding. I'm a runner, so running is kind of my go-to. It keeps me healthy, allows me to maybe relieve a little bit of stress, and it's fun. It's something that's always challenging. It's making yourself better. If you're considering a career at Midmark, you really got to think about what do you want. You always have that piece about your career that you want to check the box on, but what values are you looking to align with? If you want to come to work and be the best you can be, gosh, you've got 90% of it probably beat already. And Midmark offers that. That's why I think it's so great to work here, because we check all those boxes. I think Midmark needs the community just as much as the community needs Midmark. And so to be a part of both of those, gosh, that's awesome.